In this video, we're going to focus on the zoom drag background color option in the Chart.js plugin for Zoom. So with this, you can adjust the background color of the selected area of your drag. So let's start and explore that one. First of all, what I want to do here is I want to remove all of this here. So this is currently just from a previous video. I'm going to remove this. And then what I'm going to do here is I'll just, the zoom I will remove as well. And we're going to put this back onto the X or the horizontal scale. So once we have here the drag, let's refresh here. As you can see here, we have this drag selection and we can adjust the background color of it. Now let's start to explore how to do this. So the first thing what you can do here is, for example, here it says here background color, and the default is this grayish, or basically it's white with a transparency level on top of it. So let's start to adjust that one. And this can be very useful because with this you can start to highlight the specific selection and put it, of course, in your nice personal preferred color. So what we're going to do here is this is an RGBA value. So in here we can put in, for example, 0 and then dot, what is that, comma, sorry, 255, comma, 255, comma, 0.3. Let's say it like that. We just keep it like that. And this needs to be in a string. Remember, this is a string value. If I save this, you can see here as well, this is a string value. If I save this, what will happen is it will adjust the color now of our selection. So once we select here, now we have this more nicer, the light blue color. And of course, you can do all kinds of things. And with this, you could, for example, match with this color that we highlighted or with your brand color. So for example, you get this here. We get this one here. Save that. Refresh. Now we get this nice red color glow. Thank you for watching this video and I hope you enjoy it. And if you enjoy this video, you probably will enjoy this one as well. And if you're interested in Chart.js, check out in the description box the link directing to my Chart.js course where you can learn everything about Chart.js. And finally, of course, make sure you subscribe to my channel.